Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video is over AJIF Iaijutsu Kata number 1. We'll be looking at this from the front. We will be looking at this from the side. This is a walking kata. We are starting by stepping forward with this. So let's have a look. Right, left, and then I'm stepping across here to my right. I draw, downward cut toward my opponent's wrist. I'm sidestepping their attack. I'm stepping together, wave block here, then my right foot slides back, downward oblique cut, left to right. Then got wave block over my right shoulder. I'm stepping through with my right foot. Downward oblique cut, right to left. Then I'm squaring up here with my right foot still forward. Iaijutsu Kata. And Noto, rescatter. And then I move back to where I started. Now let's see that just a little more quickly. All right, now let's have a look at that from the side. Right, left on my third step, cross over to my left, and a downward cut toward my opponent's wrist. I'm sidestepping their attack and then taking advantage of their miss. Step together, block, and then my right foot steps back, downward oblique cut. Again, wave block over my right shoulder, stepping through with my right foot, downward oblique cut, right to left, and then I square up, come back facing directly to my front, right foot forward, chiburi, and Noto. And then I move back to where I started. All right, and again, let's have a look at that a little more quickly. And that is AJIF Iaijutsu number 1. Thank you for joining me.